Check out our new natural do-it-yourself channel. Over the past couple of months, we have dedicated our effort to providing information-rich natural health articles. Last month, we launched a new natural health channel that focuses more on the practical aspect of natural living. We are extending an open invitation to all fans of natural healing guides. On this channel, Victoria Adewoyin, the brain behind Natural Healing Guides, provides step-by-step instructions on how to create natural beauty products, short and info-rich home remedies, motivational tips and more. According to her, the channel was launched to help people overcome common health challenges and prevent diseases with her unique hands-on natural approach. Look in the description box below for links to the channel. The first 2,000 subscribers will receive free products from her collection of natural organic skincare products. Look in the description box below for links to the channel. Thanks for supporting this great project.